Good afternoon, folks. Here I have in front of me a 1976 Norco Beretta. This is a 12-speed 700C tire with I think this is a 23-inch frame. Could be 24. I couldn't quite remember. Big bike. I'll let the condition kind of speak for itself. But basically, I'm going to use this video to advertise my new service called Restoration. Pretty rough shape. You see that chain ring, chain wheel, pretty rough shape. Got rust everywhere. Bottom bracket and hubs are probably filthy, along with the headset, being it with all the dirt getting kicked up there, but we are going to restore this. Silenced freewheel. Pretty neat, hey? Just finishing threading this fixed cup onto the bottom bracket. I'll tighten that down. Here, folks, is the finished product. Shined brakes, rims, spokes, hub. Isn't that beautiful? De-rusted freewheel. Back to its gold color. The derailleur looks brilliant. Same with the chain. You can even still see KMC engraved on the link. Wonderful. Check out that. This is like zero friction. As you can see, the chain wheel is just, you can see me in there. It's really, really shiny. You can see the handlebar and stem are now shiny. Same with the front hub, all shined up. Spokes glistening.